Well, a lot of times they'll come home and they'll eat right after school, and then they, I'll make something, I'll make something else.
So what's the paperwork for?
That's the secretary's job.
Secretary's job.
And the president is doing it.
Uh-oh.
And she does a good job.
If it wouldn't have been for my husband, I wouldn't be here. 'Cause he came from Kiel and I came from Plymouth. And we met through mutual friends. And then he started working for my dad. And my dad says, well, why does he have to drive back and forth to work all the time? Why didn't he stay here at our house? So I was stuck. And I couldn't get away from him anymore. So I married him, and then we got married here in this church. And we've been here ever since.
I came from Johnsonville. I used to help with making bread.
Did you?
Yeah.
If you had to invite somebody, what would you tell them is the reason that you are a part of the church?
Fellowship.
It's, fellowship, friendliness.
And
Yeah.
you sing in choir.
And the only way I got it was I got invited to Women's Guild. I was living in a trailer at Cedar Lake, and Irene Crosset came and picked me up and brought me in. And Don joined the choir. That's the way he got to know some people. But otherwise, people don't stop and visit now they do, because they have this room to stop and talk.
The church is my heritage. My grandfather, my aunts, my uncles, everyone has been involved here. I truly enjoy serving the church.